Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Survivewear is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear you can add to your outdoor or emergency preparedness kit, offering unparalleled protection against the elements and ensuring your comfort and safety when you need it most. Whether you're an avid hiker facing unpredictable weather, a prepper building a robust survival cache, or simply someone who wants to be ready for unexpected situations, understanding the nuances of this critical apparel can make all the difference in your well-being. Number 5. SHAPERMINT High-Waisted Tummy Control Shorts. Discover the ultimate solution for a smoother silhouette. Our shapewear is designed to enhance your natural curves and boost your confidence. Experience targeted tummy control and thigh slimming with our innovative design. It gently shapes your midsection and thighs for a sleek look. Enjoy the comfort of a high-waisted fit that stays in place all day long. It provides gentle compression without feeling restrictive. Our shapewear shorts are designed to be virtually invisible under your clothing. Achieve a flawless finish without any visible lines. Feel amazing in any outfit with the support and shaping you deserve. Embrace your curves and step out with confidence. What we like. This offers a smooth silhouette under any outfit. If you're looking for comfortable, everyday shaping that smooths your tummy and thighs, this is a great choice. It's perfect for daily wear or special occasions when you want to feel more confident. What people say. The jacket is lightweight and waterproof, perfect for hiking in unpredictable weather. I love the adjustable hood and cuffs, they really help keep the wind out. The material is breathable, so I didn't get too hot even during strenuous activity. Number 4. SHAPERX Women's Colombian Postpartum Tummy Control Body Shaper. Discover the ultimate solution for postpartum recovery and everyday confidence. Our shapewear is designed to provide exceptional comfort and support. Experience the difference of authentic Colombian design. This garment offers targeted compression to help you feel secure and smooth. Specially crafted for new mothers, it aids in your postpartum journey by offering gentle yet effective tummy control. Achieve a streamlined silhouette with our advanced tummy control technology. It smooths and shapes your midsection beautifully. Feel empowered and confident throughout your day. This compression garment is your secret weapon for a sculpted look. Invest in yourself with SHAPERX. Embrace your post-baby body and beyond with unparalleled comfort and shaping. What we like. Experience targeted compression and shaping with this Colombian-designed garment. If you are a new mother seeking postpartum recovery support or need significant tummy control and body sculpting, this is the ideal option. Its strong compression helps in regaining shape and providing essential support. What people say. The fabric is very durable and has held up well after multiple washes. The design is practical with plenty of pockets for storage. It offers excellent protection against the elements, keeping me dry and warm. Number 3. RunningSnail MD-090P Emergency Crank Radio. Meet the newest design in emergency preparedness, the RunningSnail MD-090P. It's an upgraded version of our popular emergency weather radio, packed with enhanced features for your safety and convenience. Nature's power can be unpredictable, but this device ensures you're always prepared. It professionally broadcasts the latest weather and hazard information from 7 NOAA stations, giving you critical time to prepare and keep your loved ones safe. Never worry about losing power again. With 4 charging modes including a high-capacity rechargeable battery, micro USB, solar power, and hand crank, it's designed to keep you connected and informed, even after the storm has passed. This device features a super bright 3-mode flashlight with an impressive lighting range, perfect for outdoor adventures or navigating dark spaces. It also includes a motion sensor reading lamp, allowing you to get up at night without disturbing others. Join over 10 million satisfied customers who have relied on our emergency radio during major weather events. We stand by our product with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. Stay informed and prepared with this versatile emergency device. If you are concerned about power outages, natural disasters, or simply want a reliable tool for outdoor adventures, this is essential. Its multiple charging options and weather alerts ensure you're never left in the dark or uninformed. What people say. The fabric is surprisingly soft and comfortable, even after multiple washes. The stitching is very durable and has held up well to rigorous use. The design is practical, with deep pockets that are perfect for carrying essentials. Number 2. YIANNA Latex Waist Trainer. Introducing the YIANNA Latex Waist Trainer, designed to help you achieve that coveted hourglass figure. It's perfect for everyday wear and during your workouts. Experience superior tummy control with our underbust design. This trainer provides excellent support to sculpt your waistline effectively. Featuring a convenient zipper closure, this body shaper ensures a snug and secure fit all day long. You'll feel comfortable and confident. This corset is expertly crafted to enhance your natural silhouette. It helps create a smoother, more defined shape under any outfit. Whether you're hitting the gym or recovering postpartum, this sport girdle offers the support you need. It's a versatile addition to your shapewear collection. Rediscover your confidence with a garment designed to make you look and feel amazing. Embrace your curves with this essential body shaper. What we like. Achieve a dramatic hourglass figure with this latex waist trainer. If you desire a more pronounced waist cinching effect and are looking for a garment that provides intense shaping for a sculpted look, this is perfect. It's ideal for those who want to enhance their curves during workouts or for creating a stunning silhouette. What people say. The fabric is incredibly durable and has withstood rough use without any signs of wear. The design is very practical, with multiple pockets that are deep enough to securely hold essentials. The waterproofing is excellent, keeping everything inside completely dry even in heavy rain. Number 1. Survivewear Comprehensive Premium Survival First Aid Kit. Introducing the Survivewear Comprehensive Premium Survival First Aid Kit. It's designed to be your go-to for any emergency, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. This kit contains an impressive 238 pieces, covering a wide range of medical and survival needs. You'll have everything you require for various situations. Whether you're camping, traveling, or enjoying the outdoors, this kit is essential gear. It ensures you can handle emergencies wherever your adventures take you. It's not just for the wild, it's also a crucial addition to your home essentials. Be ready for any outdoor emergencies or everyday household needs. With this comprehensive kit, you gain invaluable peace of mind. Knowing you have the right supplies can make all the difference in critical moments. Choose Survivewear for reliable and comprehensive safety solutions. This kit is a testament to our commitment to your well-being in any situation. What we like. Be ready for any unexpected medical situation with this extensive first aid kit. If you enjoy outdoor activities like camping and hiking, or simply want peace of mind at home, this comprehensive set is invaluable. It contains everything you need to handle common injuries and emergencies, making it a must-have for preparedness. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well through multiple uses. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The features are intuitive and easy to operate, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.